Hey, so if you're building a website in Webflow and you want to add a contact form, yeah, it's actually way easier than it looks. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up step by step so you can start collecting messages from visitors. All right, first, open the Add panel and drag in a form block. Yeah, Webflow already gives you a ready-made form, so you don't need to build everything from scratch. Next, click on the form and you'll see fields like name, email, and message. You can edit them, rename them, or even delete what you don't need. So if you want a simple contact form, just keep name, email, and message. That's usually enough. Now let's make it look good. Click each input field and go to the Style panel. You can adjust padding, borders, font size, and even the Submit button style so it matches your website design. Okay, this part is important. Go to your project settings, then open the Forms tab. Here you can set where you want form submissions to go, usually your email address. Next, check the success and error states. Webflow automatically shows a success message after submission. You can customize it, like, "Thanks, we'll get back to you soon," or something more personal. All right, now publish your site and test the form yourself, fill it out, submit it, and check your email to make sure it's working properly. And that's it. You've successfully added a contact form in Webflow. It's simple once you know where everything is. Yeah, if this helped, you can go ahead and customize your form a bit more to match your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.